tollway if you're heading northbound. There is a slow-moving maintenance vehicle. He's approaching Forest Lane now, but it's going to have traffic backed up to Walnut Hill, so about a 6 or 7 minute delay. Now we're seeing issues on southbound LBJ. It starts to bog down right at Centerville Ferguson, and that's going to continue down toward I-30. Could be something they're blocking a lane. We'll check into that. If you happen to see any traffic problems, call 214-866-8888. I'm Michael Scott with your DFW traffic.
This report is sponsored by Sewell Infiniti.
An innovative driving experience, exceptional customer service, all advantages of an Infiniti from Sewell. Test drive a new or certified pre-owned Sewell.
Mindset.